What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Life with Taylor and Chloe. So, we're finna be pranking our grandma. But I am.
I am too.
Yeah, we're finna prank our grandma, y'all. We finna be acting ratchet.
Okay,
I gotta fix my wig.
Yeah, make your wig look up.
Y'all might have to look long.
And then after this video, we're doing another video explaining.
We're gonna do 2 more videos. We're gonna do a mukbang and we're gonna do, like,
We're
explaining.
doing a makeup review after this
Like a
video.
Q&A, basically. Makeup Q&A.
Mukbang.
Let's go. Yes, so y'all. Yo, we just literally just came out of my grandma's room. We just came out of my grandma's room. And y'all see my wig. Y'all see my wig. All getting in my mouth and stuff. It's all getting in my mouth and stuff. Like, so y'all, I'm gonna set the camera up.
This wedding is everything
Period,
it needs
like,
to be and more.
This way just get on my
The
nose.
greenhouse
At this
finds herself to
point.
be a bit more responsible for her stay.
Okay!
And they developed such a beautiful
Okay!
Because it hits so many different angles. The tight-knit bond with family, you know, the willingness
Period. And I'm not playing.
I got it.
And we coming and we slaying.
because everyone
Y'all
just
can
brings
take the
their
wig
own
off.
flavor. This is what's
Period.
important.
Like,
It's people is love.
Oh, God.
period, like,
Being with your loved
what
ones.
is
And
this?
there's a lot
Like,
of that in this film.
Okay.
Go out of here with that noise. Y'all want to be
okay.
You just forgot.
Now we're listening. I'm just Ratchet. I'm just Ratchet like that.
Yeah, that was
I'm just Ratchet like that.
Yeah, that was funny.
Yeah, y'all, we had to tell us the permit because at first, oh, my wig. Don't mind my hair, y'all.
Yeah, as we posted it, that was just.
Yeah, it was so funny.
I
But
told you she don't like Ratchet.
I'm sorry this is short because
Alright, we.
my grandma reaction was really going to be a butt whooping. Y'all look, she was on that laptop because she was been. Oh!
Nah, she ain't gonna whoop it. She gonna kick it.
But make sure you like, comment, and
Subscribe, turn on notification bell if you want to get notified every time we post a
No,
little
no.
banger. Not a little, but big.
And let's go.